Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Ako po ulit ang Apan man ng Tampang Anton ng Lunting Agama. Late tayo nagising, no? So, ibig sabihin, sobrang pagod. But, this is my first time na magising ng 6:30 ng umaga. Usually, mga alas 3 medyo tayo nagigising. And the earlier is 2 a.m., no? But now, parang ngayon pa lang ilang araw na tayo, malapit na matapos ang programa. 5 days na lang matatapos na ang Hilat Binabaylan training natin. Pero ngayon lang, naging normal ang gising ko na alas 6. But anyway, it was so busy day yesterday. Ang dami nating nagawa. At ngayon din, pehado ngayon. Ngayong araw na to, sasamahan niyo ako dahil kasi mag-nature walk tayo, gagawa tayo ng lana, magtuturo tayo about orasyon, mga diwata. And then in the afternoon or evening ay darating ang Philippine Chambers of Commerce at ang Philippine Consulate para i-witness o pakinggan kung ano ba ang tinuturo natin sa hilot. So ngayon, mag-aagahan ako, repeat ulam kasi mag-isa lang naman ako dito. Nagsaya ako ng kanin at ininit ko lang ang aking Bicol Express na kahapon niluto. But tomorrow o mamaya hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin ko. So bahala na ang araw. Samahan niyo ako sa araw na to. As long you can make it into a square, right? Like that. Or you can even do, since this is long, like that. And roll it up. Okay. If you want to have sex,
Ano daw?
Are you gonna send that on WhatsApp? You send that to the chat, please.
but if you're a conservative type and you don't want to be raped, no? So inside.
Oh, it's out. That's
Peekaboo. So for woman,
Yeah.
you can be
For real, can you send that to them?
like that.
Yes. Wow.
Tapos. And then since it is white,
Maganda ako.
that's okay, right? But then there is another way of wearing this. So you can make it as a tubular. Something like that, right? Or if you are cold, jacket. Or if you don't have bag,
Yeah.
so we are going to use this like this. When we walk, we gather herbs. Diba? So that's it. But you can also use this as if for your patient. You know, when instead of bandage, you just something like that. Yeah. So thank you. Okay. At least you have that. So oras natin ngayon ay 9:40 ng umaga. At ang activity ay nature walk. Kaninang mga 9 o'clock hanggang ngayon, bago ngayon, ay nagbigay tayo ng instructions kung ano ang dapat nilang gawin. And today, we are going to the Rose Hill para sa Station of the Cross at nature walk. At kanilang kikilalanin ang kanilang mga power plants. Ayan na mga kalay. Talaga namang konting lakad lang, pagod na tayo. Yossi pa more, no? Yossi pa more. But then, naglalakad tayo papuntang Station of the Cross. Nauna-una na sila at kanila nang sinimulan ang activity sa pamagitan ng pamumulot, pagpitas, pagdampot, pagtugon sa panawagan ng mga engkanto. So tingnan natin sila maya lang pag naabutan na natin. Ngayon pagod na ang apo ninyo. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo ang lugar na aking tinitirahan ngayon. So napakaganda siya at ayun ang kabundukan. Gusto ko makilala kung anong pangalan nito. But then tinanong ko kung anong pangalan. Hindi rin nila alam kung anong pangalan eh. So lahat kami ay dayo sa lugar na ito. Nakita natin si Adrian at si Chard doing the stuff here, no? So tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa ating paglalakad at ibang mga estudyante ay nandun na.
And the reason why I chose these, and they were like throughout the walk, is because I just was really looking for the ones, I was just noticing the light coming down on the leaves. And it would be the one leaf out of the grouping of them that was being bathed in sunlight and was just sort of listening and you want, and I want you. And this one too. And this reminds me, but it reminds me just of, you know, you go to a Hamanan, you know, I love that one. I love to cook, so grab that one. I chose, and I'm not gonna find it, I have to find it actually, but I saw this fern, and when I pulled it aside, I saw the fern, yeah, the fern coil, and I find it somewhere, but
Ayan mga kalay, pihado, makaka-copyright na lang tayo dahil kasi busy ngayon ang ating mga estudyante on breaking the coconut and they are so busy. See, this is our making class. Wow! So, Christine is making donut and some are breaking the coconut. As you can see them here. So, lahat sila ay napaka-busy, no? Teka lang. Tatawid tayo dito para makita natin sila sa kanilang ginagawa na pag-grate ng coconut. See? Ito yung hilot binabaylan class. Hindi lang siya basta-basta hilot. Talagang ginagawa natin ang herbal class natin. Like 5:55 PM na dito sa Hawaii. At nandito pa rin tayo sa ating classroom. Pero iba ang ating presentation ngayon. Wala na ang mga estudyante. Dahil kasi dumating ang Chamber of Commerce dito sa Hawaii na karamihan ay mga Pilipino, kaya magpe-present kami ng hilot, no? So ngayon kakain muna kami kasama sila, then after dinner ay diretso sila dito para tunghayan kung ano at pakinggan ang ating presentation about hilot. So samahan niyo ako. Nakita natin ang Chamber of Hawaii. So marami na tayong participant. Ang nagsasalita ngayon ay ang Vice President nila. Maya-maya tayo mag-present ng hilot. Dito rin ating mga kasama, ang host, ang sila Sunny, si Darcy, si Paloma. At mamaya tayo mag-present.
If I was in a black day, I would look just because you're in the middle of a 9-day retreat, teaching the cohorts that they wanted to do. So thank you so much for coming and being in this case, witnessing the magic that's happening.
And I was like, I think we made the right decision to share it with the world. And then we opened our healing center last year, and now we have Bahay Hilong, which is a school. So this is our third time flying Apu Adman from Manila. And in the last 12 months of opening our healing center, we have reached over 3,000 clients that has been boiled with herbs. And then he's gonna place the paper in her hand like this. she's gonna think about her intention. What is it that she wants to release? Is it negative emotions? Is it a conflict with someone or something? Is it a limiting belief? Maybe it's an obstacle that's stopping her.
Mga kalay, tapos na tayo sa ating presentation. Nandito na kami sa bahay, nag-uusap-usap, nagpapahinga. Kung makikita nyo, makikita nyo ba? Si Paloma, at si Isel, at
Si Sunny.
si Sunny. So paalam na. Lakay Sunny, paalam.